In this video, I'll show you how to disable Shorts and AI short videos on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap the settings icon in the top right. Select Time Management. Scroll down. Tap Shorts Feed Limit. Turn on the feature. Set the limit to 0 minutes. Now go back to the home page. The Shorts shelf will no longer appear. If you tap the Shorts tab, you'll see that you've reached your Shorts feed limit. Now let's remove Shorts from search results. Tap the search icon. Search for any topic. Scroll down slightly. Then scroll back up. You'll see filter tabs near the top. Tap Videos. Now only regular long-form videos will be displayed. If you only want to reduce AI-generated shorts, open an AI-generated shorts video. Tap the three-dot menu. Select Not Interested. Choose a reason if prompted. YouTube will recommend fewer videos like that. If an entire channel only uploads AI-generated videos, open one of its videos. Tap the three-dot menu. Select Don't Recommend Channel. YouTube will stop recommending videos from that channel. That's it. This is how you can turn off YouTube Shorts and reduce AI-generated shorts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.